Okay, so in first video till we have learned how to insert rows and columns. Now we will learn in second video of second chapter class 7, copying and moving data. So how we will copy or move data? So copying means, suppose we want to copy data, select those data. Here option, copy option is there. This one you can use, or right click copy option also you can use, or you can use Ctrl+C, anything you can use. Then copy. When you will copy, you will see this dotted line. Then go somewhere where you want to paste, select there, right click, paste. From here also you can use paste option is there, or Ctrl+V. Then save it. I have not saved this, I am saving it. So suppose this is desktop. In desktop I am saving, name is book 1. This is called copy. Okay, now if you want to move something from one place to another place, so I am deleting this. How you will delete? Just select and press delete key in your keyboard. Now I want to move these 3 lines somewhere, so I am selecting this, all, cut option, go here and paste option. This is called move. Not only you can move from one cell to another cell, you can move from one sheet to another sheet also. Okay, so like this you can move your data. We have different options, different procedures. It is written in your book, using copy paste command, using context menu, then cut and paste button in home tab, using context menu. The things we can use. Next that we will learn deleting cells or deleting our rows and columns. Suppose you want to delete this line. It is written something here. Suppose it is written here, I want to delete this line. This column I want to delete. Go here, right click, delete. I am showing you practically. For theory exams or whatever multiple choice exams, you have to go through the book. Different options are there from different tabs, so that also you have to learn. But here I am showing you simple procedures for practical purpose. So like this, just how you will delete: select the column, all the columns, and then right click, delete. Similarly, suppose I am having here something, and this one also, here also. So I want to delete these 2 lines, these 2 rows. Select here, right click, and then delete. It will be deleted. Like this we can delete. Suppose you want to delete one particular cell. Suppose I am deleting this cell, Vishal. Select here. Okay, then what you will do? You will go to delete option. This one, delete cells. Shift up, shift row, this like this you can do. Okay, cell. You see that one is deleted. Only Vishal. Like this you can delete. So options are there, different options like shift cells left, shift cell up, entire row, entire column, like this. One by one you can check. Options are there. Like this we can delete our cells. Now we will learn how to change the row height and column width. Now you see this is a row. I'm checking. Right click here. You will get this option, row height option. See 15. 15 is the default point. 15 points. So now you can change. Suppose I am making it 35. And then press OK. You will see this row height is changed. It's increased. Okay. If you want to change entire set, select all, right click, row height, and then make it 35. Similarly, if you want to change the column width, select column, right click, column width. By default it is 8.43, make it 15 or whatever, press OK. Okay, so I am changing it. Now another thing I am showing you, suppose you want to make your column size or row size, you want to change, then you can drag also like this. Come here, this type of signal will come, this type of sign will come. You see one plus sign, black plus sign with two arrows. Now you can move right side and left side. You can move, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. Another option, suppose you want to make it adjusted, you want to adjust this line, so come here again and double click, automatically it will be adjusted. You see, like this. These options are there, you can use it. Okay, I think you have understood till now. Next we will learn autofill option. Suppose I am typing here 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will take time. If you want to insert like this, it will take time. Instead of that, you can do one thing. You just press 1, come back in that cell, come here. You will get 3 type of plus signs. One is, you see, this plus sign, that is selection plus sign. Another one is like this, 4-headed arrows. Another one, this is called fill handle. When it will come, just hold the left key and drag down. Afterwards, come to this box, autofill option box, click here, fill series. You see, automatically it will be filled. Again another one you can do, 1 you press here, 2 you press here. Now you select these 2 and then fill up. So it will be filled up automatically. If you want to make some series, suppose 1, then 3, then 5, if like this you want to fill up, select this 3 and then go to fill handle. You see, it will become all odd numbers like this. Another one option is there, suppose you want to write Sunday. Okay, afterwards Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday you want to type, no need to type, just go to fill handle and fill up. See, it will be filled up. So these are the options. This is called fill handle. We have Sunday, Monday, we have January, February, Jan, Feb. If you want to fill up, you see, only I have written Jan. So Jan to December, like this. So these are the, already it is given, it is present in our system. If you want to make your own, it is also possible. In your book it is given one option, that is how to create your own fill handle, that is called custom fill handle. So for in 2007, if you want to do it, go to home menu or office button, this Excel option you go, in popular option you will get this edit custom list. You see, options are there. If you want to make your own, if you want to add something, just add, suppose apple, I am adding fruit, something I am adding, the rose, dog. Okay, some mistakes were there, so system error was there. So you see, apple, fruit, rose, dog. Okay, now just press add. So apple, fruit, rose, dog, lily, these are the custom list you have created. I have created, then press OK. Then here, OK. Now if I am printing here apple, I am typing here apple. Afterwards enter, go here, fill handle, see. So like this you can create your own fill handle also, your own custom list. Okay, another option is there in your book, that is flash fill. Flash fill is not present in 2007, it is present in 2013 only. So that thing I cannot show you now, I will show you later. I will give you video. For today till now this only.